In today's video, we will try to understand what are proper, improper, and mixed fractions. In the previous video, we already saw what fractions are. Here is a quick recap. So in the first image on the left, you see a circle. If we imagine it as a pizza, then it's one full pizza. In the center image, you see half a pizza, which means that the pizza has two pieces, denoted by the number on the bottom called as the denominator, and we have one piece with us denoted by the number 1 on the top, which is called the numerator. In the third image, it shows that we have 3/4 of a pizza, which means that there are 4 pieces in the pizza and we have 3 pieces with us. Now, what is a proper fraction? A proper fraction is one in which the numerator, that is the number on the top, is smaller than the denominator, that is the number of the bottom. And why it's called a proper fraction? Probably because you cannot have a full piece out of it, so it's less than 1. And on this rectangle on the bottom, if you divide 3 by 4, the value that you get is less than 1. So all proper fractions are always less than 1. Then what are improper fractions? Improper fractions are the fractions in which the numerator is greater than the denominator. It means that if our object has 4 pieces, and if we have more than 4 pieces with us, then that would be an improper fraction. So in this case, 5 is greater than 4. And improper fractions are always greater than 1. So if you divide 5 by 4, as in the bottom rectangle here, you get 1.25, which is greater than 1. Now, what are mixed fractions? So a mixed fraction is an improper fraction which can be converted to a mixed fraction which has a whole part and a fraction number. So this whole part, the 2 in this case, denotes that we have 2 full pieces of pizza, 2 full pizzas, and then this 3/4 part says that we have 3 parts out of the 4 pizza. So effectively we have 2 3/4 of the pizza with us. Now let's look at a easy method of converting a mixed fraction to a proper fraction. So in this case we have 2 full parts and 3/4 of a pizza. Now the way to do is that we want to convert these full parts in terms of the number of pieces of the pizza. So now that we have 2 full pizzas represented by this 2, and each pizza has 4 parts represented by this 4 at the bottom, it means that we have 8 parts of those pizza. And how do we get it? Multiplying 2 by 4. So which I have written here in the center, that 2 times 4, that's 8, and plus 3. So that makes 11 over 4. So in the end, what we have done is we have converted this whole mixed fraction in terms of the number of pieces of pizzas that we have. So 2 3/4 of a pizza is 11 pieces when you consider each piece as a quarter. Now, in the same way, how do we convert improper fraction to a mixed fraction? Now remember, we said earlier that an improper fraction is one in which the numerator is greater than the denominator. It means that you have more pieces than what you have in one whole object. So in this case, if we consider the pizza example, we have 4 pieces in a pizza and we have 11 such pieces. So when we divide 11 by 4, we get quotient as 2 and remainder as 3. So this is a very simple trick to convert it into a mixed fraction. So 11 over 4 can be written as 2 times 4 because each pizza is having 4 pieces, so we want to write it in that form. So this is 2 into 4 plus 3, so that's 11. And this 2 into 4 can be taken out because now it is a complete pizza. So we write it out here, and then the remaining fraction we write it as 3 over 4. So then this 11 over 4 becomes 2 3/4. I hope that explanation was clear enough. Let me know in comments if you need more explanation for how we converted improper fraction to a mixed fraction, or then mixed fraction to an improper fraction. Thanks for watching.